Guys, so a Chevrolet 4500 with a 6.0 in it. I was getting a injector control circuit, P0201 P0203 P0205 and P0207, which is a cylinder injector control circuit on 1, 3, 5, and 7, and it was kind of like missing or hesitating, causing it to shift funky and just didn't have a lick of power. Well, that's because it was basically missing on those 4 cylinders, on the odd ones. Well, anyways, we're up here 65, and of course I pulled all the fuses out so I could take this fuse box apart. Up top here, these two 65 and 79, this is for odd, this is for even. Well, you see it's halfway melted. So anyways, I bought a new fuse box and it took care of the problem. That might help you out. So